guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to Vlogmas day 14. If you're new here, my name is Delia C. In today's video, you guys are gonna spend the day with me. I am about to head outside because I need to go to the grocery store. I need to pick up a few items, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Before I get into this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're already subscribed, welcome back, family. With that being said, let's head on out. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I changed my clothes. I'm in the kitchen. I am so hungry. I need to make myself something to eat. So I'm gonna just make some curry chicken and some white rice, which is super easy. And then after I'm finished with that, I want to make some cocktails. So I'm gonna do that after I finish cook and eat. I'll see you guys in a bit when I'm finished. Alright guys, so I finished eating my dinner and now I'm gonna start making some cocktails. I am so excited. Well, it's gonna be cocktails and mocktail. The cocktails will be for me because I will add some little bit of liquor in there, and the mocktail will be for my son. So I think I'm gonna do about 4. It will be candy cane Shirley Temple, cranberry lemon drop martini, and the other one will be those ornament drinks. So it's just gonna be Sprite with ginger ale with cranberry. So I will show you guys the ingredients and we're gonna get started. So guys, this is the cranberry lemon martini. So I'm gonna try it on camera. I only made one in this because that one is a cocktail. It has vodka in it. And I was tired shaking. Wow. This is good. This is really good. 10 out of 10. The tanginess from the cranberry. I made the cranberry syrup from scratch. I'll also leave the recipe in the description. If you're a lemon drop type of girl, the cranberry lemon martini is good. And the sugar around the rim, ciao. This is heaven. This is heaven. So I'm gonna try the frozen Grinch cocktail. It's a little bit melted right now, but we're gonna try it. I'll give this a 5 out of 10. It's on the sour side, and if you like sour, yes, because the Grinch is sour, so I get the concept. But the cranberry lemon drop martini, that one is in the lid for now, so I have 2 more to make, and I will get back to you guys in a bit. Oh my god, I put too much. I don't know, this is edible glitter and why it's not sinking. But you know what, we're gonna move. Okay, we're gonna move. So I'm gonna put this in here and I'll be back because I don't want to make a mess. So now I'm gonna try the Santa Shirley Temple drink and I'll tell you guys what I think about it. This is really good. I added vodka to mine. I'll give this an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. It's actually good though. And the sprinkles around the rim, perfect. So now I'm gonna try the ornament drink. Out of 10. Like honestly, the drinks are like so refreshing, but I think it will be a creeper as well because the fact that it's so refreshing, you want to drink it like so fast, but you can't because it depends on the amount of alcohol that you put in there. You'll get a buzz for sure. So out of all the 4 drinks that I made, my favorite is the cranberry lemon drop cocktail. With that drink, the tanginess of the cranberry, it's really good, like 10 out of 10. And also the sourness of the lemons, perfect. With the sugar around the rim, it just balanced it off so well. So that drink is my favorite, and we're gonna cheers. Cheers guys, cheers. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I did have a few hiccups. Boy, the edible, wait, let's talk about that. Let's talk about that. So I got this from Michael's, and this is supposed to be edible glitter spray, but I don't know. I asked the girl in Michael's, I'm like, if I put this in there, wouldn't I get like the glitter in my drink? She's like, yeah, because I bought it for myself to try it. Well, she didn't even try it, clearly, because this embarrassed me. It embarrassed me on camera. But you know what? That is what it's about. Trials and error. And it still tastes good. I'm not seeing the glitter, what I was looking for, but the drink was still good at the end. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also click that notification bell so you guys be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.